today's workshop has been, well, the result, I would say, of some years of research culminating in this event. So the idea was to bring together experts on the subject of animal ethics, animal law, and to find out in a more comprehensive and also a bit interdisciplinary way how we can think of animal representation in political decision making. It's a topic that has been increasingly discussed in the literature, especially also regarding other vulnerable parties such as future generations or people with cognitive disabilities. And so I think it's a perfect time really to bring animal into play as well. That was the idea, and that's how everything started. I was hoping to actually have a mixed public between not only academics but also people from the practice. And thankfully that happened. So for the academics I had also attendees from very different disciplines, philosophy, law, social sciences, and also literature studies. So it was really, I think, also fitting with the theme, very interdisciplinary. And then thankfully also people from animal rights organizations such as Sentientus Politics, and journalists as well. So I'm very happy about, this mix of different areas in the audience and different kind of, not only expectations but also contributions. So I think we had a very nice mix between theoretical and practical considerations. Actually, yes, and I didn't know this before coming here, so I was pleasantly surprised. So we have animal researchers here at the Faculty of Law, and as well as a strong research area in environmental ethics, and of course these areas overlap significantly. So I would say that it's a really full environment for conducting this kind of research. As I think for many, academics working on the subject, for me it started when I personally considered, the ethical dimensions of eating meat, consuming animal products, which was very late in my PhD. And actually after concluding my PhD, I really wanted to also, do something about this, in practice, and actually try to get into animal rights organizations, which turned out to be difficult as an academic. But then I thought, maybe my strength is more in actually looking at these things from an academic perspective and trying to contribute from a more theoretical, philosophical perspective to also, practical implementations. And I think this workshop actually shows how this is possible and how this can be done.